Hi everyone, we're back to do some more Heggerty exercises today. As usual, we're going to start with rhyming, but remember this time I'm going to say two words, you will repeat the words, and then you'll give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, or a thumbs down if it does not rhyme. Remember, rhyming words are words that sound the same, like big, wig. Those sound the same. They rhyme. All right, let's get started. Hen, pen. Rhyming, good job. Fan, ran. Also rhyming. The sea. Not rhyming. Hop, mop. Rhyming. Tin, win. Rhyming. Luck, duck. Rhyming. No, try. Not rhyming. 10 men. Rhyming. We did. Not rhyming. Sick, pick. Rhyming. Great job. All right, we're going to do listening for beginning sounds. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll say together the beginning sound. Here we go. Bed. B. Doll. D. Girl. G. Jet. J. Lake. L. Nose. N. Quack. Qu. Sick. S. Vase. Yawn. Y. Good work. All right, let's do some word blending. So I'll say the smaller words, you will repeat them, and then we will clap them together to make a compound word. Black bird. Blackbird. Horse back. Horseback. Over time. Overtime. Any one. Anyone. Somewhere. Somewhere. Downhill. Downhill. Row boat. Rowboat. Bookmark. Bookmark. Pop corn. Popcorn. Farm yard. Farmyard. Good job. All right, now we're going to listen for ending sounds. Here we go. Pill. L. Some. 10. Keep. Mess. S. Heat. T. Gave. Does. Z. Sub. B. Hide. D. Good work. All right, now we're going to segment words. So we'll clap the word, you'll repeat it, and then we'll break it into smaller words. Here we go. Bluebird. Blue. Bird. Underground. Underground. Downhill. down, hill. Pancake, pan, cake. Grandfather, grandfather. Moonlight, moon, light. Tablecloth, table, cloth. Yardstick, yard, stick. Leftover, left, over. Goldfish, gold, fish. Good work. Okay, so now we're going to do some word substitution. I'm going to say a compound word, and then we will replace the ending word to make a new word. Here we go. The word is sometime. Change time to body. Somebody. The word is waterfall. Change fall to melon. Watermelon. The word is hairbrush. Change brush to cut. Haircut. The word is workbook. Change book to out. Workout. The word is sideways. Change ways to walk. Sidewalk. Good job. Okay. Now we are going to add some words. So I will give you the beginning part, and then we will add a word to make a new compound word. Here we go. The word is play. Add ground to the end. Playground. The word is every. Add thing to the end. Everything. The word is head. Add light to the end. Headlight. The word is some. Add day to the end. Someday. The word is snow. Add flake to the end. Snowflake. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do some word deletion. I will say the word, and then we will remove the ending part and see what we're left with. Here we go. The word is headstand. Without stand, the word is head. The word is somewhere. Without where, the word is some. The word is snowstorm. Without storm, the word is snow. The word is playroom. Without room, the word is play. The word is every day. Without day, the word is every. Awesome job. Okay, last exercise, we're counting words and sentences. Listen carefully. School is a great place to be. This was a long one, 7 words in that sentence. Do you like school? That was 4. I raise my hand. 4 as well. My friend smiles at me. 5 words. I use words when I talk. 6 words. Will you play with me? 5 words. I love fall. 3. May I go to my seat? 6 words. We ended with a big one. You did a great job. Keep up the hard work. I'm sure you're getting better and better at this each time you do it. Thanks, friends.